Hi children! My name is Teacher Nia. Today we are going to make bubbles. So for today's bubble making, we will need warm water, liquid soap or dishwashing soap, and also sugar and a straw and an empty container. So first, let's fill the container with warm water. And then we will add dishwashing soap. Mix it very, very slowly. See, I'm mixing it slowly. After that, we will add some sugar and then mix it again. Slowly. Now dip your straw and try to blow. Have fun and show me your pictures! By the way, let me say hi to Hector, Fabian, and Marco. Hi! Also to the twins Joshua and Matthew. Thank you for watching my videos. And of course, si Jewel. Hi Jewel! Ingat kayo dyan ni Ate Nia.